Connecting Google Calendar to GoHighLevel allows you to sync appointments, manage bookings, and streamline scheduling. Here's how to connect Google Calendar to GoHighLevel. Log into GoHighLevel. Sign into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to Settings in the left-hand sidebar. Go to Integrations. Under the Settings menu, select Integrations. This section lists the available platforms for integration. Connect Google account. Click on the Google option and then select Connect. A new window will open, prompting you to log into your Google account. Authorize GoHighLevel. Choose the Google account you want to connect and grant the necessary permissions for GoHighLevel to access your calendar. These permissions are required to sync appointments and events. Select a calendar. After successfully connecting, choose the specific Google Calendar you want to sync with GoHighLevel. You can also set up multiple calendars if needed. Configure appointment settings. In the Calendar section of GoHighLevel, assign the connected Google Calendar to specific appointment types or users to manage bookings effectively. Test the connection. Create a test appointment in GoHighLevel and verify that it appears in your Google Calendar.